One, two, three.
4 sides, okay, and here this part also. So these stuff I already designed it. So how can I do that?
The lab is very interesting. From the outside, it's already about what we will learn. It looks like I'm in space.
Between 6 and 8.
9, 8,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I trained AI to recognize when I show rock, when I show paper, when I show scissors.
Again.
So I did a special program which is called Rock, Paper, Scissors, and in this program, the program that I made recognizes which sign are you showing, rock, paper, or scissors.
Now in Lab of Future, I'm doing task by machine learning for kids. I'm making project about rock, paper, scissors. For example, now I take a photo to test this.
And today it was really interesting because we were programming them, and plus we were using the Arduino system, which is like small computer system.
We did the programming and it was very interesting.
Today we have assembled our Mars rovers and we gained enough knowledge about the craft ships and Mars rovers that how to explore Mars and other parts of the world.
One more time. Ready?
Okay, I really liked Lab of Future because the Lab of Future I learned how to 3D model, how to program a little bit. We even built a Mars rover and program it.
What can we say about our impressions? These 5 days flew very quickly, going back to our country with warm memories, and hope we will come again. Thank you.